If you want to know how to fix your account on Snapchat has been locked problem, you've come to the right place. So basically you won't even be able to open your Snapchat app. You'll receive a message that your account has been locked or something like this. So how can we fix this problem? As you can see, I have the access to Snapchat, so I can easily use it to my account. So basically all these steps are quite simple. All we need to do is just to simply open our browser. I'm using Safari, but you can also use Chrome. Basically we'll come to this page here where we need to find the website which is called Snapchat support. So search for this request. And the first line here is like help.snapchat.com. We need to click on it right up here. And after that, as you can see, we have a couple of shortcuts, but we need to choose the shortcut which is called My Account is Compromised. So let's click on it. And after that, we'll come to the next page where we need to submit a report. As you can see, we need to answer for some of the questions. And if we scroll down for a little, we can easily find all the information. And here we can also input our username on Snapchat. Make sure that you input the correct data. Then we need to input the email and the mobile number. And after that, we need to add the description. We need to describe our situation, what's wrong, and why did our account was basically locked. So after that, we need to click on submit. By the way, we need to pass the captcha and then just click on submit right up here. So in a few seconds or minutes or maybe hours, the Snapchat support team will receive our message and probably they will help us and they will give our account back. So this is the only one way of how can we fix the problem with our account on Snapchat has been locked. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.